If one equation has a variable isolated while the other does not, it is quicker to use the substitution method to solve a system of equations. Here I have y equals 3x minus 2 and 2x plus y equals 3. Note that one of the equations, the variable y, has been isolated. With the substitution method, you plug in the value of the known variable. We know y equals 3x minus 2. So as you can see below, I've substituted 3x minus 2 in for y. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. The 2x and the 3x will be combined, and it will give me a value of 5x. I bring down the negative 2, and then I bring down the 3. I want x to be alone, so I'm going to get rid of the negative 2 on the left side by adding 2 to the left and right side of the equations. The equation must remain balanced. I end up with 5x is equal to 5, and then I divide both sides by 5, and I get x is equal to 1. That was kind of fast, so let's go back through what we've just done. So I know that I'm substituting. And since I'm substituting for the value of y, because I know that y is equal to is equal to 3x minus 2. So in place of y, I am going to replace it with 3x minus 2. Once I've done this, I then move to combine like terms. My 2x plus my 3x will give me a value of 5x. I'm going to bring down my negative 2, and I also will bring down my positive 3. I need for x to be alone, so I add 2 to the left side to get rid of the negative 2. But if I add 2 to the left side, I must also add 2 to the right side. I end up with 5x is equal to 5, and then I divide both sides by 5 to get an answer of x is equal to 1. Now that I know x is equal to 1, I must use the value of x to find the value of y. I substitute it into one of my original equations. I use the one where y is already solved for, and I substitute in for x, replacing it with the value of 1. I have 3 times 1 minus 2, which would give me 3 minus 2, and therefore y is equal to 1. Now I have the values of my ordered pair, the coordinates. So the solution, x comma y, will be equal to 1 comma 1. This is the point. If I were to graph them, as you can see here, if I were to graph 1 comma 1, it would represent the point where these two equations would cross. And I'm trying to hit 2 birds with 1 stone. That's the point of solving a system of equations, finding a solution that will satisfy both equations at the same time. And once again, our solution is 1 comma 1. This is the substitution method. Thank you.